Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to discuss example number 3 of the distance formula. And we have here the formula. Okay, now we have to find the distance of the following. So we have here point M and point N, and we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so the coordinate of point M is 3, 2, while the coordinate of point N is 8, negative 4. Okay, now to find for the distance, let's have the formula. So we have d is equal to the square root of, let's have the difference of x sub 2 and x sub 1, and then you square it, plus we have y sub 2 minus y sub 1, then square it. Okay, now since we have the first point here, which is point M, let's have this one as x sub 1 and this one is y sub 1. Okay, the second point will be x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, para guided kayo kung ano yung mga isa-substitute nyo sa formula natin. Okay, so we have the square root. Let's have x sub 2. Ang x sub 2 natin ay 8 minus yung x sub 1 which is 3. And then you square it. Plus, ang y sub 2 natin ay negative 4. Sorry, ilagay natin sa parenthesis. So, we have negative 4. Ito yon, minus yung y sub 1 natin, which is 2. And then, you square it. Okay? So, let's find for the difference. 8 minus 3 is, correct, we have a 5. And then, squared plus, what is now negative 4 minus 2? Okay, let's do KCC para mabilis. Keep, change, and then change. So, we keep negative 4, we change the negative or the minus sign, and then dahil positive to, magiging negative na siya. Okay, so we are going to have negative 4 plus negative 2. Sulat ko dito para hindi malito. O, i-add ba natin? I-add, diba? Kasi pareho sila ng sign. So, what is negative 4 plus negative 2? We have, that's right, we have negative, how many? 6. And then we square it. Okay, so we are going to have, what is 5 squared? 5 squared is, correct, 25. Kasi 5 times 5 is 25. Plus negative 6 squared is, negative 6 times negative 6 is 36. Okay, then we add. What is now 25 plus 36? So this one is 11, carry 1, 1, 2, 3, plus 3, 6. So we have the square root of 61. Okay, kung mapapansin ninyo, ito ay hindi perfect square. Okay, so hindi na rin siya masisimplify. It means the distance is, ito na, square root of 61. Yan na yung answer natin. Okay, now you try to solve number 2. What will be the distance of x and y if the coordinate of x is 2, 2, while the coordinate of y is 5, negative 3? Okay, what's the distance? Don't forget to follow for more math videos, and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!